I have used flaxseed gel for my hair. Sounds interesting? Then watch the video till the end. I heard a lot about the benefits of flaxseed gel for hair. So I thought, why not give it a try? After all, flaxseed are rich in vitamin B, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acid, fiber, and other nourishing nutrients like magnesium, manganese, selenium, copper, which boosts our hair growth and help our hair to grow stronger and longer. Omega-3 found in flaxseed is not the same fatty acid that we get from fish. In flaxseed, omega-3 fatty acid is found in a different form called alpha-linolenic acid or ALA that reduces the inflammation and soothes our itchy scalp. Then vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, it reduces the hair breakage, it reduces the effect of free radicals on our scalp, and thus it promotes healthy hair follicles. And it also prevents hair breakage by improving the elasticity of our hair strands. And friends, I have also mixed castor oil with this flaxseed gel. I'm sure you know everything about castor oil, but let me give a short note on this castor oil. It contains omega-6 fatty acid and ricinoleic acid. So when massaged on scalp, it improves the blood circulation and thus it promotes healthy hair growth. And then I love using tea tree oil in my skincare and hair care regime. So here I also have used 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, due to its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, it reduces dandruff and it also treats our dry itchy scalp. So the mask I have prepared is with flaxseed gel and castor oil and tea tree oil. So these 3 things together helps to promote healthy hair growth, healthy hair follicles. They also treat our dry itchy scalp and they also prevent hair breakage. So this gel is going to be magical for you. Actually, I have got very amazing results. That is why I am recommending this to you. Actually, I have also used this gel for my skin, but I would give an average rating for skincare. That is why I am not recommending to you, but you can try because everybody's skin is different. So you can give it a try, of course. Okay, next, please watch this video properly. I have given every details of this hair mask in this video. I have given every details what I have used for making this hair gel, from the saucepan to the spatula. I have given every details, and I have also given the details of how to apply this gel on your hair strands and on your scalp. And after that, the result is in front of you. So please watch the video till the end, and I recommend you all to use this flaxseed gel, and please use this flaxseed gel mask for at least 2 times per week for 6 months. Then you would definitely get result. And I would also suggest you to try to consume the flaxseed gel. Okay, don't consume it as a whole seed, because our digestive system is not going to digest it. So you have to take just 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and grind it very well. Then take the flaxseed powder and just take it with water, or you can sprinkle it over your salad also. It will be very, very beneficial. So if you consume the flax seeds and apply the flax seeds on your hair, so you would definitely get result, definitely get benefited from externally and internally. So it would definitely give you help. So whatever you are applying externally on your hair or skin, try to consume it internally. Then you are sure to get all round benefits. Okay, just give it a try. Okay, then I'm not talking much. Please watch the video till the end and let me know in the comment section. Please mention in the comment section how you have used this flaxseed gel and how was your experience. Half cup flax seeds. I have used here organic flax seeds. 1 cup water, plain filtered water. Then 1 muslin cloth to strain the gel out. 1 saucepan to boil the seeds. And 1 bowl and spatula. And finally 1 glass bottle to store the gel. Boil half cup of flax seeds in 1 cup of water. Add more water if needed. Then stir it with a wooden spoon until the gel type of consistency is formed. Don't use any metal spoon. Then pour the seeds and the gel in a muslin cloth and strain in a bowl. It is not an easy task. You can let it get cooled down and then strain it. Mix some water and strain it in the bowl. The best way is to make fresh gel for every use. For that, you can take just 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and 3 tablespoons of water, then boil them and it would be easier to strain. Now our gel is ready, but you can see some flax seeds are floating on the gel because I couldn't strain it out properly, but somehow I managed to get my gel. See, now it is time to pour in this glass bottle. I have poured the gel in this glass bottle and I would store it in the freeze. But before that, I would mix 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil to improve its quality and so that it can be preserved for at least 2 weeks. Tea tree oil also has its benefits for hair. Now my hair gel is ready. I would use this for 2 times in a week. I can store it for 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks, not more than that. For making flaxseed hair gel mask, here I would take 4 tablespoons of hair gel. I have taken roughly 4 tablespoons of flaxseed gel in this bowl. Then I would mix castor oil. This organic hair oil actually is a blend of castor oil and coconut oil itself. So I am taking 4 tablespoons of this castor oil. You can take either castor oil or coconut oil, anyone. Okay, now give it a good mix. So I am mixing the gel. Now my hair gel is ready. You can see this. Take the hair gel as per the length of your hair. My hair is pretty long, so I have taken 4 tablespoons of each, the gel and oil. So before applying this gel, I would detangle my hair with the help of my fingers to prevent lots of hair fall. Yes. See, I am detangling this hair strands with my fingers. After that, I would brush my hair. So always brush your hair to detangle it. It is easier to brush than to comb. Yes, now I am brushing my hair. So I am preparing my hair for this hair gel, for the application of this hair mask. I have already oiled my hair the last night, and for that I caught cold also. Castor oil, I just oiled my scalp and hair with castor oil, and it is very good for you if you are if you have tendency to catch cold, because I have already caught cold for this. Okay, now I am applying this gel on my scalp from the root to the whole length of the hair. I'm going to apply this. But first of all, I have dry itchy scalp, so I'm applying this on my scalp. It would give relief to the itchy scalp problem. It is going to soothe my itchy scalp. Then I would apply this gel on the whole length of my hair strand so that my hair becomes soft, manageable and shiny. I now I'm going to keep this mask for 3 hours, at least 3 hours. Then I will wash it with a shampoo, with a mild shampoo, and I'm not going to use any conditioner because I don't use conditioner. Now the result is in front of you. My hair feels so soft, so shiny, and it feels so light on my head. Yes, take a look, it is so manageable. I have just taken 2 drops of oil, any oil, because if you would take 2 drops of oil and apply it onto the damp hair. Yes, I don't use conditioner, instead I use 2 drops of oil on the damp hair. Take a closer look, so shiny and so soft. I'm going to use this gel for at least 6 months, to twice per week. Yes, so soft and so shiny. So I have to use it for at least 6 months to see whether it helps in preventing hair fall and growing new hair. Bye.